Video I will tell you that how to save TikTok draft to your gallery without posting on TikTok. So first of all, you need to open up the TikTok here, and then you will need to tap on the plus icon here, and let me just record a simple video here. And after this you need to tap on this plus icon here. Now if you have updated your app, you should see a save option here. So in order to save this, you will just need to tap on this save option, and this will actually save this to your album. Okay, I'm not sure that it's not saved to the device yet. So then you have to tap on the next option here, and then you need to tap on this where it says select cover, and you should see a, a full screen option here. So I will just tap on this one. So what this will do here, this has basically like removed all of these things from the from the screen here. And now what I will do here, I will just like record my screen here. Okay, and I will just crop out this part. So this is the one method, and the second method is basically what you can do here. You will tap on this like more options here, and what you can do here, that we have to allow comments, allow duet, allow switch. We have to upload this video to private. Okay, so here where it says who can watch this video, so just tap it is to only me, and then just post this video right away. Okay, so here it says that who can watch this video, so you just tap this to only me, and here you should see an option of save to device. I don't see it on my hair. So what we will do here, that we will just post this video, but make sure that who can watch this video is set to only me, and then just post this video here right away. You can see it's posting here, and after it gets post, what you can do, you just have to like download the video. Okay, so let's just wait, and let's wait for it to post. Okay, so just post it. Okay, so the video is posted. If you go into our profile here and go to this lock option, here you can see that we have posted this video here, and you can just now save this video. Okay, so officially this video is uploaded on TikTok, but as we have set the privacy to only me, so this is only just visible to us. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.